Today, we will talk about how to compare mortgage offers. Let's have a look at the details. Looking to buy a house? Congratulations! Now comes the hard part, deciding what kind of mortgage is right for you. You want to find the best rate, of course, but you also want to make sure you aren't being taken advantage of. Make the process less overwhelming by knowing what you're in for. The first step is considering different kinds of loans and lending sources. Look into a fixed-rate mortgage. With a fixed rate, your interest rate and monthly payments will stay the same for the duration of the loan. For many people, this consistency is appealing, and for this reason, fixed-rate mortgages are the most popular kind. Consider an adjustable-rate mortgage, ARM. Adjustable rates will often be lower at the beginning, but they and your monthly payments will change over the course of the loan. Because this kind of loan carries more risk, many people try to avoid it. Weigh the pros and cons of different mortgage lengths. The length of a mortgage can vary greatly, with terms lasting anywhere from 8 to 30 years. 30-year mortgages are the most popular, but consider other options as well. Determine if a shorter-term mortgage is right for you. A shorter-term loan means that the lender will assume less risk and may be willing to offer you a lower interest rate. Determine if a longer-term mortgage is right for you. A longer term means that you can afford a bigger mortgage. Research special mortgage programs. Based on income or occupational background, you may qualify for government-sponsored and/or administered programs. Look at different kinds of lending institutions. Banks might be the most obvious place to start when looking for a mortgage, but they are not your only option. Several different kinds of institutions offer mortgages. Consider a broker. Unlike lenders, brokers don't finance mortgages directly. Rather, they act as middle people and do some of the legwork for you by taking your application to several different lenders. The second step is asking the right questions. Take your time. You may have a sense of what kind of institution you want to secure a mortgage with or whether or not you want to work with a broker, but don't commit until you have gathered all the necessary information to compare plans. Get the details about interest rates. Financial institutions do not offer the same interest rates to everyone. Instead, they do so based on your credit rating. Find out the annual percentage rate, APR. Interest doesn't tell the whole story. The APR includes the entire cost of the loan over a year, including the interest rate and any additional fees. Consider how big of a down payment you can afford. Traditionally, you would have to pay 20% of the house's purchase price or appraised value as a down payment. Ask for a loan estimate and lender fees worksheet from all potential lenders. Get it in writing. Once you and your lender or broker have agreed on terms, ask for a lock-in agreement along with your loan estimate. The third step is comparing offers. Focus on the most important items. Interest rate and closing costs will have the biggest effect on your finances, both now and for years to come. Both of them can be found on the loan estimate or worksheet. Look at the April. This will give you a good sense of how your money is being allocated in terms of interest rates versus fees. Find it on the loan estimate. Exercise caution when comparing different kinds of mortgages. Don't forget to think about short-term versus long-term costs. And the third step is avoiding predatory loans. Exercise the right amount of caution. Most brokers and lenders are professional, trustworthy, and honest. However, predatory individuals and practices do exist. Arm yourself with information. The U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development keeps a list of counseling agencies approved to give homeownership courses. Especially if you are new to the process, you might benefit from attending one of these. Make sure there is nothing out of the ordinary about the terms you are being offered. Always compare your treatment to how other people are being treated. If you notice any red flags, contact your local housing agency. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.